Vinyl. Made in the USA. Tear aid repair patches provide a simple and easy method of patching holes and tears, as well as an excellent protective film solution. Each tear aid repair patch is made from an exceptionally tough, matte finish, abrasion-resistant, elastomer that resists puncture and tearing. The Tear Aid Type B vinyl repair patch sticks to vinyl and vinyl-coated material only. Vinyl has oils that are absorbed by most adhesives, which causes the adhesive to turn gooey, gummy, and ultimately lose bond. Tear Aid vinyl repair patches contain an inhibitor that blocks the oils found in vinyl, resulting in a long-lasting repair. The Tear Aid patch is see-through to work on any color and is UV resistant to prevent yellowing for years. It provides instant adhesion with no sewing, no glue and no mess. The patch also conforms to irregular surfaces and won't turn gummy in high heat. Each patch kit contains 3x12 Tear Aid patch that cuts easily with scissors to any size, 7/8 by 7/8 patch, 1 3/8 by 1 3/8 patch, 12 reinforcement filament for repairing tears at edges, alcohol prep pads, illustrated instructions, kit dimensions, 3x5, 5x1.25. Tear Aid repair patches are made in the USA. Of the highest quality and standards. Keep Tear Aid handy and be prepared to be a hero. Don't throw it away, repair it. Top reviews from the United States. Better than kit with vinyl and tube of glue. If you're buying an air mattress, just buy this also. Air mattresses leak. I had the typical pinhole that develops around the circular welds of the internal columns that connect top mattress to bottom mattress. The previous hole were patched with a kit of vinyl with glue. The glue takes a while to cure, but my patches have held up. This kit is far superior because the patch already has adhesive, no tube of glue to mess with. I placed the patch while the mattress was inflated and the vinyl stretched out. I was able to use my fingers to apply patch, and I burnished with a scissor handle to make sure there was good contact and no bubbles. There's an instructional video if you Google Tear Aid. I was able to use the bed after about an hour and it held up perfectly. The adhesive sticks really well.